everyone, I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Welcome to my channel. We love our subscribers, really appreciate all the great positive feedback. I try to reply to your comments as soon as possible. Today we're going to focus on Snap-on Smile, and I have an unusual case, so let me describe it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the patient's smile. So this patient was concerned because he did not show any teeth when he smiled. As you can tell, he's only showing his lower teeth. His upper lip is pulled over and just doesn't show teeth when he smiles. So he wanted something that was actually going to show that he had teeth when he was out in the workplace. So we're going to go ahead and zoom in to the patient's smile. Bite down, and this is his smile. It doesn't exist. So as you can see, his teeth are very, very small. Go ahead and open, please. And they're worn down. His lower teeth the same, and he's missing all kinds of teeth in the back and also on the upper. Open big, please. So you're thinking Snap-on Smile won't work in this case. Well, that's not exactly the case. It will work, and here's what we did. We did something special. What we did is we put composites, little bumps. You might not be able to see them because they're their exact same color of his existing teeth, but we put bumps just like you would for Invisalign. And that is going to help with retention to hold the appliance in place, because let's face it, we're replacing a lot of teeth. We are only going to go back probably 2 teeth on either side. So this is an advanced Snap-on Smile case, and let me show you how we started. We sent the patient for digital impressions. That's right, no goop in your mouth. And we came up with these models. This is what we get back from the lab. This goes straight to the lab that makes Snap-on. You can see where these dark areas are. These are the bumps. They're not dark in the mouth, but we accentuated this so the lab would understand exactly where the bumps are placed. And this is going to help with the retention of the appliance. Now let's take a look at the appliance. Here's the upper. And as you can see, we've added teeth on either side. And here's the lower. And we're going to go ahead and try these in. The patient has not seen them, and he is going to be ecstatic. So let's take a look at the patient again. We're going to go ahead and place the lower in. And as you can see, it fits exactly. We have not altered his teeth in any way except for the bumps. And this fits really tight. You would never get that unless we had put the bumps, because the teeth are too small for retention. This fits beautifully. This patient is going to be so excited. And then we're going to place the top. And again, we haven't altered the teeth in any way, and it just snaps right in. It's a beautiful fit. Bite down. Smile. What we have now done is we have given this man his smile back. Now, we didn't go all the way back on either side, basically because the appliance would break if we extended it too far. But this is an amazing result. He has not seen it, and he's going to see it for the first time along with his wife.
Hello.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn that mirror over. His wife is here. She hasn't seen them. First time for both. Are we ready? Turn that mirror over. Take a look. He's nervous.
Oh my gosh. He's crying. Looks good, huh?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah. I can see the upper teeth.
How long has it been since you've had teeth like that? How long has it been?
A long time.
Oh, what do you think? Take a look.
Great. I got a new husband.
That's pretty amazing. And you can eat with them as well.
Oh.
Yeah, and they are sturdy. So let's hear you speak correctly. Say 66.
66.
Church.
Church.
Yeah, okay. Snap-on Smile. What do you think, Mom?
Thank you so much.
Oh, this is going to change. This is like
Thank you
great,
very much.
right?
Yeah.
Ready for the holidays.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
High five. High five. You too.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you.
Snap on smile.
Snap and
Thumbs
smile.
up. All right. Thanks for
Oh
watching.
my gosh. Amazing.
Amazing.
My,
No,
my turn
amazing.
next year.
Amazing.
Very nice, yeah.
Amazing. Okay, so I'm going to have them show you how to take